Well, I got the Fabtech upper control arms for my Ford Ranger, and I gotta say, the second I opened the box, I was kind of like, wow, did I even get what I ordered? So here's the part that was, I guess, blue in the listing, and I mean, nothing here besides the word Fabtech on the outside of the box says that this is actually Fabtech product, but I guess all that matters is how it works, huh? So moving on. And so you can see here you got my other one, some sort of brackets, and a plastic bag that contains all of said items. You can pause it if you need to. And here you can see said items. So that's just showing you what's inside the box. A lot of these part places like to say they're going to send you something, and then when you get it, you see, just like I found out, they look quite a bit different. And honestly, this ball joint, I already moved it. It doesn't even doesn't feel very good. But just showing you what's inside. And so remember how I said, well, it doesn't matter how they look, as long as they work, that's all that matters, right? Well, wrong. I installed everything as they said, and look at this. After installing everything the way they said, I now have bad camber, or toe, whatever they call it. Look, the tire is clearly bowing in like that. And if you look closely, let me see if I can get a flashlight on here. Actually, screw the flashlight, you don't need it. You can see right there, this control arm is actually right here. My finger can't even fit through. It's actually touching the frame. So this control arm's useless, right? And some of you are probably thinking, oh, you need to adjust the camber bolts, right? Wrong. I installed them exactly as specified in the manual, and I put little marks on top to make sure the cam bolts go exactly the same way back in to not lose the alignment. And afterwards, benefit of the doubt, I even took it to Goodyear, and they said that there's something wrong with the control arms. So long story short, I purchased all of this from CarId.com, and the supplier is Fabtech, but I'm not necessarily blaming Fabtech. I'm more so blaming CarId. But I've actually been trying for days to get someone to resolve the solution, and no one's going to resolve it, I guess. So I'm just going to post this video up, and if they resolve it, I guess I'll update you guys. I've been working on cars since I was 16, and I always read the manual first, and I must say, I'm amazed. So next time you buy something like this, and you get something else in the box, and they tell you, don't worry, it's the same product, F those mother you-know-what. Make sure you get what you paid for.